What's up, guys? It's Saturday, November 18th, and here I am doing a driving vlog in my 2015 Subaru WRX. It is raining out, so I'll still do my usual pulls and things I can do safely, and then just bear with me as I set the camera for 1 second. So, got a light here, so that means I can take off, so let me set the camera. So car's doing awesome as always, at a little over 39,000 miles, treating me nicely, and I'm obviously treating the car the way it should be treated. School bus driving has been going well. I just got everything in my head. I got all the routes done, and everything is all discipline-based programmed. So I'm actually very happy overall with the job. It's been treating me nicely. I actually enjoyed the hours. The fact that I could basically go early in the morning, then come back, have lunch with my girlfriend, do a few things, and then come back later after 1 o'clock and do my afternoon route. So it's been awesome, just to say the least. Of course, I didn't mention I am bringing my Noki R2 winter tires, my Hakabolitas. For one thing, you'll definitely notice is the ride is so much softer when you're running the winter Comcom tread tires. And I definitely appreciate the softer ride on a lot of these bumps and stuff in the winter time when the roads get tore up. So it's been a lot nicer and smoother ride. The handling is somewhat decreased, but the fact that you have better winter driving abilities, and the fact that I can get through snow and ice and all that stuff. So it's all worth it. So really good things there. And as you can see, it's raining pretty good. And I actually kind of like rain. I just kind of like the sound of it, especially when I sleep at night. I just find it kind of peaceful. So maybe at this light, I'll do at least one pull. Starting off in first gear and just see how these winter tires will grip. It's about 40 degrees, maybe a little cooler with the wind, but it should grip pretty good with these tires, even in the rain. So let's see what happens. I do like the sound of the rain over the car's panels. It just has a nice sound. Relaxing. Alright, first gear, full throttle. Yeah, I would say it grips pretty good. I mean, there are some wheel spin, but for the most part, it grips pretty good. But yeah, if I was running my summer tires, my Michelin Pilot Super Sport, there's no way I would have traction for that. So definitely nice traction in the cooler, even in the rain, so that's cool. Mechanically, my car has been great, treating me nicely. The thing is, you take good care of your car, it'll take good care of you. That's the way I see it. I've had many people mention to me about how the paint's been holding up, and I've said numerous times in videos it's been holding up very poorly. Like the paint quality on Subaru is just so thin, and the fact that they use a paint that is environmentally friendly, they just basically layer it on there like paper thin, and it basically just creates a huge problem with when you go over you have to bring it to the car where there'd be ice, salt, and just totally hurt up the car. It's unfortunate, but it's just one thing you just have to put up with owning a Subaru. And for one thing I'll mention, for this car being 2015, I would say I'm very displeased with the paint quality because it's just not holding up good at all. So it's unfortunate, but overall the car has been great. So that's all that matters. I will start off in first gear. I'll straighten out the wheels and then nail once I get straightened up here. So let's see. And a nice afterburner. And on the brakes. Yeah, car still pulls nice. Someday I will probably want to go stage 2 because I know at some point in time this is going to get old, just having the same amount of power all the time. And sometimes I kind of forget about it and I just don't get on the throttle, and I get on it and I realize how nice it is. But yeah, going stage 2 would be an more awesome feeling to feel even more power. So I guess sometime soon I'll consider doing that. I'm sure I'll be very happy with the results. Power and delivery. Okay, first gear. like hot air things going on the back. It's just pretty cool. There's just so much that comes out. I'm sure any of you guys in the colder climates, when you just see all the fumes like shooting back, it just looks like, man, that car's really pushing a lot of exhaust gases and the hot, obviously hot air gases. But it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, just be a matter of time before it starts snowing, and then I'll do some snow videos. And one of these days, I'm looking to probably find a nice empty parking lot with no cars around. Maybe late at night or something, and just do like some donuts and stuff, and little like minor drifting and stuff. I think that'd be kind of fun to do. But with an external view, so I'll need to have somebody with me. And that would be something kind of fun to do, I think. This road here was just recently repaved, so I know I'm going to have a lot of spinning on this particular road. So I'm not going to nail the throttle too much. Just do second gear. But yeah, this part of the road they didn't have repaved, but the one down there they did. Yeah, rainy, cold, dark day. But it surely won't stop me from making the pool video. Which I enjoy doing every Saturday. That's the thing, I just like, for me, every Saturday it's gotta be a video about pools, most likely. This is just what I do. And then once later I acquire enough money, I'll probably get a 4K camera again. Maybe they'll come out with a new one after January, and maybe I'll even get a better one, so that'll be kind of nice. But yeah, I would like to be able to do it, because I could only go so far for this cell phone video footage. Alright, second gear, and here's another top, Yellow Pro. Man, dude. That's just so much fun. Exciting. Like that pull in particular just felt so good for some reason. Well guys, as you can see, I'm always enjoying this car and I'm always enjoying doing these pulls. It's just something I like to do. Drive, enjoy life, be positive, and just enjoy every minute I possibly can. Of course, we all have bad days at work and stressful days, but you know what? Just look at the brighter picture. There are times where you're just happy, you just appreciate the simple things in life. I pretty much appreciated that every day of my life. And that's about all I can say. So, as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the likes, subscriptions, and as always, you guys special comments. I'll see you guys around. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Be careful out there. Be safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay positive and enjoy life. See ya. Peace.